Hello everyone, welcome to ZILTX. My name is Paul and I'm here to help you get started. And in this video, I'd like to show you how to bid on an RFQ. If you're a raw material supplier, a custom fabric shop, a tool and die shop, and you're interested in knowing how to bid on an RFQ that has been submitted by one of our purchasers on our platform, this is a video you don't want to miss. From the landing page, head over to your avatar and click on Dashboard. This will bring up the speed board. By clicking on RFQ, it'll bring you to the RFQ section of our platform. When an RFQ is created, the criteria of the RFQ is closely matched against our trusted supplier network. If you are a supplier that qualifies, you'll be notified via email, and the RFQ will also be shown in the inbox section of the RFQ page. To bid on the RFQ, click on one of the RFQs, and this will bring you to the RFQ card. Fill out the relevant information and place your bid. And there you go. You've successfully sent an RFQ bid on this particular card. If you'd like to edit the RFQ bid, click on this icon here. If you would like to speak to the actual purchaser, you can begin instantiating a chat with the actual creator of this RFQ. An email has been sent to the purchaser indicating that your bid has been submitted. And an email has also been sent to the purchaser indicating that you have instantiated a chat and you'd like to talk to them directly. For more how-to videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you'd like to know more about ZILTX, please visit us at www.ziltx.com or join our community at community.ziltx.com.